Okay, my friends, I am back at the Seminole Hard Rock in Hollywood, and tonight I got a treat for y'all. I am in the tower, and it's like literally the farthest one away from like the guitar. However, I am in a junior suite with a balcony. Okay, this is room 30757. Doorbell is available. Totally works. The bellman brought me my stuff and rang the doorbell. First looks of the room. It's very posh. See the suitcases are here? All right, there we go. Add some light. Let there be light. As I said, this is a junior suite. So we got the closet for your storage. You have some cabinetry over here. You have the TV. There's people in the hallway, and I am standing about 15 feet away from the door, and I can hear them just fine through that door. Because you see that little door, that little gap right there? That's the I am not soundproof gap. That's what that means. Anyways, comes with a chair. Nice little decorative light. The balcony is over there. There's a fridge in there. You have this nice little table, this couch, the bed, of course. And then there's a little clock and a radio. And you have outlets next to the bed. But we're going to go through all of it. So here is Le Tube, okay, with the little slats I could pull across and not see nobody, even though it's my room by myself. This is the bathroom. Very, very nice and posh. You got the 2 double sinks. You have a little ottoman underneath you can pull out. Big mirror. And then you can see there's a hairdryer when I need it. What does it come with? We got a cleansing bar, shower cap, some booty lotion, and a vanity kit. Out of curiosity, I'm gonna go look what's in the vanity kit. Okay, cotton balls, Q-tips. Interesting. I'll deal with that later. Okay, so there's 2 glasses here. This is the John. John's light is not on the outside. John's light is on the inside with the fan. All right, good deal. However, that is a low flow toilet. What's the clearance for that? Okay, so yeah, you definitely can't just like pull this open when someone's on the pot. That's for damn sure. You got paper and a picture. But look at this clearance. Look at that. It's like barely. You got all this space in this room and you couldn't have built enough room to not knock your knees on the toilet. Boy, I tell you, the value is immense. See if I can figure out this light assortment. Okay, so here's the rest of the lights. And this is a dimmer. So I don't know what it dims, but we're gonna go with that. This is the shower in all of its glory. Look at all of those knobs. 3 spigots on the wall, a 4th on the top, and a 5th to make it rain like it is going to be a rainfall. And look, on the other side. So I have 9 water spitters. That's interesting. You know I'm gonna try this out though, just to say that I did it. I will have no other purpose, but just to say I did it. So at least there's a little bench. Tile's a little bit grody. Can't say I'm gonna be standing in here with my feeties. I will probably be using my cheap little Walmart 99-cent flip-flops. All right, here is the bathtub with the vision of outside. Bathtub, it don't look dirty, but you know how things are questionable. I will check it out later and give y'all an update. But let's do the touch test while I'm here. All right. So they don't use the same products as Beau Rivage, because Beau Rivage stuff leaves like residue and it makes it ashy. So that's a pretty clean tub in my opinion. No, I didn't bring the Clorox. Okay, on to the next. Here's a little radio clock. The wall units, 2 outlets, 2 USBs. The bed, which doesn't have the pillows on the wall. Okay. The bench. And then over here, lay couch, sitting area. But wait, here is the coffee jive spot, along with the fridge of wonder. It is so small, it cannot really fit a full-size plate. It's like a Carnival mini fridge. Yeah. So this is an updated Keurig, which is not bad, but it's not one with the fancy little funny screen on front. And as I said, this has a balcony. So I have a balcony, but no chairs on the balcony. I have questions. I really have questions. Because it's kind of hard to compute. I ain't got no chairs. But this view though, this view is amazing. I think somebody just said hi. There's the pool below, and you can see everything, including the hot tubs and stuff as well. And then we are butted up against 75, so that is the highway that's on the other side over there. And the loud cars, so you can clearly hear them. So it's not like a barrier, so you don't hear the highway. It's not bad. You can't really hear outside in the room, so that's fine. But note to self, if you come to this side of the resort, park on the roof. You could see your car. So if anything's going funny, you just zoom in and be like, yo, what's going on over there? There's my vroom vroom. So, all right, that is the tour of a junior suite. And just so you get a full grasp of how long this really is, it's a very long space. Very, very long space. But it's nice. I'm impressed. I'm gonna give them daps for that. This room slaps. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.